Hey guys, what's up? So today we are on bus 45. This is a 2007 Bluebird All-American. So I want to do a quick little video tour of this one because, it's a bus 45 and we like bus 45s on this channel. So let's go ahead and do a little tour. This bus has the green seat fabric, black floors. Some of their older All-Americans have green floors. Mason's colors are, I think it's green and white. So a lot of their older buses have green seats, and the Bluebirds had green floors. I believe this is an 83 passenger, or 84 rather. Let's see if I can tell without falling. I don't know if it's even picking that up, but I want to say it's 84 passenger because this bus is big. I will put it on the screen so you guys know for sure. But if we go over here, we will see there's the horn with the Bluebird logo, gauges, there's the switches, got a radio. This one does not have a light monitor. Got our driver fans, Bluebird, and all that. Got the Bluebird first aid kits. Oh, goodness. So, yeah, this is the inside of 45. I do like this bus. Not just because of the number. Let's see. Bluebird All-American. There's the big sticker decal. Too bad it's not an actual emblem, because that would be cool to save off of one of the junked ones. 45 has the 22-23 inspection sticker. There's the underbody storage. You can see they've done some paint work. Got it plugged in. And it has stop but reflective. So, there's that. There's the back of it. Let's see, I don't know. Yep, it's got Bluebird mud flaps. Which I like the mud flaps with just the Bluebird logo. I think that looks good. Underbody storage again. Inspection sticker, 45. So yeah, there it is. Nice old All-American with the number 45. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and